Hello, welcome back. It's Liz here, and today I'm going to share the inside of the little patchwork journal I made yesterday. So this morning I had fun using up some tea-dyed papers. So that was the first time. No, they're not tea-dyed, they're coffee-dyed. The first time I made coffee-dyed paper. So I think it's quite cool because it fits exactly with the colouring of the little cover that I made, and I have decided to use the journal for some thoughts and quotes. So I have left quite a lot of space for journaling, and every time I have a thought or I find a quote that I quite like, I'm going to jot it down, and it will be nice to look back on some things. So I'll give you a quick flip through. First of all, some of the stickers that I used, this one and some of the other ones, have come from this sticker book. I know these sticker books are quite popular. The antiquarian one I've had for a good while and I've used it lots. This one I've had just a couple of months. This is the first time I've used the stickers out of this one. But like the other one, there's borders, but what I do is I just cut out round the sticker and then I fussy cut the white border off. Obviously you could ink off the border and make it less noticeable, but I quite like fussy cutting, so I just cut the stickers out and use them like that. The other difference with this book is these pages are shiny, and the antiquarian book is a matte, but this one's shiny. But it's still lovely stickers. This one is from the book, and you can see that I cut the border off. The other stickers in the book are just cheap stickers from Amazon. I don't have the packaging anymore. I tend to take everything out packaging and don't throw it away. Sometimes I use it for things, and I always just keep the stickers in a box in the cupboard. So that's from the book, and I have left quite a lot of space. The coffee, this is a stamp. The coffee journal, the coffee paper turned out really cool. I cut some of the edges with my fancy scissors. I saw Barbara at 49 Dragonflies do that, and I thought that was quite a nice, neat idea just to finish off the edges. So I've added some floral stickers to some of the pages, not every page. I may add more as I'm going along, depending, and this is a stamp, how much the stamp came through a little bit there. I don't know why that would be, because it's quite thick paper. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how this wee journal has come about. For a first go, I think I'd be quite up for using this sort of style again, and using up the vintage material that I got. So yeah, I'm looking forward to making another one, and yeah, so that's it. You'll probably see it again now and then once I've written up a few quotes and a few thoughts, and maybe give it another little bit of decoration along the way. I don't want to decorate it too much just now because I don't know how much I'll be writing in it, but there we are, a nice wee quick flip through today, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.